When the child was playing with the dogs, a ball appeared in front of him from somewhere. A video showing this event was posted on Twitter. At first glance, everything may seem like ordinary fun, especially when you consider that the child is just walking along a small path for the dogs. At the same time, the man who was filming the video was at some point behind the child. After just a few seconds, a red and blue ball appeared out of nowhere in the frame. The size of the ball resembled a volleyball or football. Before stopping, he rotated for a while against the wall. Due to the fact that the rotation speed is small, it is safe to say that no one dropped it and it did not fall from anywhere. Considering that there are dogs nearby, you might think that one of the animals hit the ball if it was lying there all the time. At the same time, the appearance of the ball was a real surprise for the child, who immediately turned quickly to see what was happening nearby. At first glance, it might seem that there are obstacles that would not allow the ball to appear. But if you watch in slow motion several times, then what is happening in the video becomes more difficult to explain. Some users who watched the uploaded video tried to explain what they saw. Most of them suggested the most interesting option, that there was some kind of incomprehensible time matrix error. What it really was, one can only guess and assume the most different and, possibly, at first glance, incredible versions.